Hello dear students, welcome back to e-classes of Statistics Standard 11th. In this video we are going to continue exercise 9 section C with sum number 9. Let's read it. Find the required term of the following sequence using formula. So these are the four sums in which we have to find the term, 6th term, 7th term, 8th term and 5th term. So let's start with sum number 1. The terms are 2, 10, 50 and we have to find T6. So as first number is 2, so A is 2. Then R can be taken out, 10 divided by 2, that is 5. If you do 50 divided by 10, then also the answer will be 5. So R here is 5. N is equals to 6 as we have to find the 6th term. So applying the formula Tn is equals to A multiplied by R to the power n minus 1. We'll put the value of A is 2, R is 5, N is 6. So to the power 6 minus 1. That will give you 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 5. So 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 5's answer is 3125. So therefore 2 multiplied by 3125, the answer is 6250. So T6 is, term 6th is 6250. Let's solve the next sum. Next sum is 100, 50, 25 and we have to find here T7. So as the first number is 100, so A will be 100. R can be taken out, 50 upon 100, that gives you 1 by 2. And then N here is 7 as we have to find 7th term. So applying the formula Tn is equals to A multiplied by R to the power n minus 1. Now we'll put the values. T7 is equals to A is 100, R is half, 100 multiplied by half to the power 7 minus 1. So it becomes 100 multiplied by half to the power 6. That becomes 100 upon 64 because multiplying 1 into 6 times will be 1 and 2 multiplying 2 6 times, that will give you 64. So 1 by 64. So 100 into 100 upon 64. So if you reduce this 100 upon 64, that will give you 25 by 16. Let's solve third sum. 1 by 3, 2 by 9, 4 by 27 and here we have to find T8, term 8. So here A is 1 by 3, R is 2 by 9 upon 1 by 3. This way we can take out R. So R will be, if we reciprocal, R will be 2 by 9 into 3 by 1. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So R is 2 by 3 and N here is 8 as we have to find 8th term. Now let's apply the formula Tn is equals to A multiplied by R to the power n minus 1. So T8 is equals to A is 1 by 3, so we'll put the value 1 by 3. R is 2 by 3, so we have put the value 2 by 3. N is 8, that means to the power 8 minus 1. So 1 by 3 multiplied by 2 by 3 to the power 7. This will give you 1 by 3 multiplied by 128 upon 2187 and the answer is 128 upon 6561. Let's solve the fourth sum. So here is the fourth sum, 2 multiplied by root 2, then 4 and we have to find here term 5th. So first term will be A and R can be taken out, 2 root 2 divided by 2. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled, what remains is root 2 and N is 5. So we have taken out the value of R and we already have A and N. So we'll put the values in the formula. Tn is equals to A multiplied by R to the power n minus 1. That will give you 2 multiplied by root 2 to the power 5 minus 1. So that is 2 multiplied by root 2 to the power 4. So this can be solved as 2 multiplied by 2 to the power half. Root can be written as half to the power 4. So that will be cancelled with 4 and that will become 2 to the power 2. 2 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 and that is 2 into 4. The answer is 8. So here we have finished sum number 9. In our next video, we are going to start section D. Till then, revise section B and section C of exercise 9 from your textbook. Go through the topic, revise it thoroughly. Thank you.